Hi there. Today we're gonna talk about Gambusia or mosquito fish. Here we have 3 examples. We have a female, which is the largest, which is soon to start bearing some fry around. As you can see, she is a bit swollen up. And we have 2 young fry at different stages. Now Gambusia aren't ideal to dump in rivers or natural lakes, as they are a pest. But this means we can just dump them in natural lake or water. These are used mostly where there is a problem with mosquitoes, so usually they are put in stagnant waters or unused pools or agriculture tanks, which we use for rain collection, rain barrels, etc. Obviously, these tanks mustn't be used for drinking water, only for watering. Gambusias are great at eating any type of insects which come in contact with the water. In fact, that's why they are called mosquito fish. They are related to the guppy, the common guppy, but these are more resistant to fluctuations in temperature. In fact, it doesn't need any heated water. Having said that, when the water gets warming, we'll start to breathe. These fish are caught in this vase just for this video, so you can see them, but usually they are in a 1,000-liter tank. They will keep away all insects and even control the tank algae growth. It will still grow, so don't think they will destroy all the algae, but nature will find the balance. When it's an empty tank without any organisms except bacteria, when insects die in it, you will have a misbalance of nitrates, and therefore there will be an algal bloom. As already said, these fish are very hardy. They are able to survive the colder nights and the warmer nights. Obviously, when you first get them, please introduce them to the water during summer when it's hot, so that they get acclimatized easily. Usually during winter where it's cold, the young ones, which are very, very young, will not survive through it, but the older ones, from this one upwards, will survive easily. As already said, it is important not to put them in natural lakes or rivers, as these will take over and populate all the liver easily, while declining other species. These are properly used for man-made ponds or wells, etc., or even rain barrels. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.